Hello everyone, in this episode of the Windows Server series, I am going to show you guys how to set up DHCP on your network. So on here, on our server, we are going to head over to Server Manager and add roles and features. That's on the dashboard. And we're going to select server roles. And under server roles, we are going to select DHCP server as well as DNS server. So it's very important that we have these two options selected. DNS server would basically allow your server to be recognized as a DNS server when clients are connecting. Also, one more thing to keep in mind is when you set up your server, you also have to ensure that you have a static IP address assigned. So you head over to Control Panel and you head over to View Network Status and Tasks. You select your adapter and you're going to select Properties, Internet Protocol version 4 or version 6, depending on which one you have selected, or if you have both of them. And you're going to select Properties and you're going to select Use the following IP address, and then you type in your IP address for your server. You're also going to use your preferred DNS server and alternate DNS server as well. So basically we have this. So now I have DHCP already open, but anyway, let's search for DHCP. So you're going to select this, and also we are going to select DNS. Okay, so basically you have DNS configured and that's fine. So now we are going to head over to DHCP now. So I'm basically going to use basically an example. So under IPv4, we're going to right click and we're going to select new scope, and you're going to click next. We're going to name this DHCP1. Next, and IP address, we're going to start at 192.168.1.100 and end at 192.168.1.254. And the prefix length will be 24 and with a subnet of 255.255.255.0. And we're going to add exclusions. Now this is very important, especially if you are going to set up static IP for your devices on your network. So we're going to have an exclusion range of whatever you'd like. However, you're going to also allow certain IP addresses so that would be automatically assigned to other devices. On my network, about 50 IP address exclusions would be great, so I am going to do that. So I'm going to start at 101 and I'm going to end at 152. So I'm going to add this, and the list time 0 days and 23 hours. Default gateway, we're going to set up that as well. Our DNS servers would be the IP of our server, so let's put that in. So this would basically help clients resolve your server's domain name. And we're also going to put another alternate DNS server. So as you can see, the my server's IP was being verified. It's working. We're going to also add in Cloudflare's DNS server, so it's validating as well. Alright, so that's it, and we're going to click next. We're not going to add any Win servers, so let's click next and let's activate our scope. And here you have it. So that's basically how we set up DHCP on our servers. So it's a pretty useful feature on here. So you have address pool, you have address leases. On here you're going to see all the devices that are connected. You can manage those devices. You can choose if you want to disconnect them or reconnect them, and you can also choose if you want to allow them a reservation. So in reservation, you are basically going to add a device. So if you click right click on reservation and you click select reservation name, you would be able to put in the reservation name. So if, let's say, this would be for your IT station, you'd put in the name IT station, and you're going to select the IP address within the exclusion range. So that would be 110. and you're going to put in the MAC address. On Windows Server, you do not have to put the colons, you just type in the address of that server, right? And that's basically it, and then you click add. All right, so pretty simple. Already we have come to the end of today's video, so be sure to share this video with others if you found it helpful, and also give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content. I will see you guys in another video. Have a good one.